The bungalow outside painting is complete. Amy finished it up about a week ago. We had to do the ends, corners I should say. So you can see all the windows, all the rock around the cellar openings. This corner was a little different because of the downspout. Still looks good though. You can see what she did with the bay window. And then the door with the new molding around it. There's some we still should probably do something with the deck, give it another coating. But shutters are back up and all good. So some odds and ends like clean the gutter, but that's a ongoing task. Okay, on to our next one.